Mutators and setters are two methods used to set value and get the value. They are also called accessors and mutators. Now let's create a Java class and let's name the class score. In this class, let's create a private int student score. In this class, we have private variable, and if we create score object here, score equal to new score, we cannot access our variable that we set because it is private. We can only use getter and setter to access our value. We can talk to methods. Getter and setter are two methods used to get the value and set the value. We can create it manually. We can also have IntelliJ create the getter and setter for us using generate getter and setter. Okay, this supposed to be at the top like this. Here are the two methods. This method will return the value of the student score, and this method will set the value. Now let's give to this method a try using score dot set student score. Let's put 30. And how we can access this our value, we can use getter. Our getter method, the score is, and have it concatenated like this. The score is score dot get student score. Now let's print this value and see. Here we have 30. The score is 30. Okay, we can also use constructor to set the value. Even if we doesn't have this set student score, we can use constructor to set our value for student score. Generate constructor. We can use the constructor to set the value. Let's set it to 40, and we can't change anything here because this we just printing the get student score. Now let's run the program again. Okay, we have 40. Now we use constructor to set the value, and here let's bring our setter back. Score dot set student score. Let's assign 30 again, And we can use another integer value since the score is type of integer to store our score, get student score. Let's set it to value equal to score dot student. We can also manipulate it and add like +1 like it is a normal value. Here we just have to print value. Here we get the value which is 30. We added 1 and print this value. This is how we use getter and setter or accessors and mutators in Java.